59mm safety clip button badge from My-accessories.co.uk. First of all, we place in the front of our badge, followed by the pre-prepared artwork, and then we cover that with our plastic mylar. We then expose the back part of the badge machine, like so, and we slot in our retaining ring, pull the handle down to compress all the parts of the front of the badge, like so. Now we need to attach the retaining ring, and we pull down like so, and there you have your completed badge front. All that remains is to attach our safety clip, and that slots in just behind the retaining ring, like so. And there you have it, our 59mm safety clip button badge from My-accessories.co.uk.